So going over a few stocks that I had reviewed over the weekend, I just run through these really quick, starting with PPG daily chart here. I had mentioned, hold on. I had mentioned to watch this level for short-term resistance. As you can see, we broke through that level today. In fact, today had a very nice move up. Closed 1.67% up. Like I've been saying on the past videos here, watch for this line here for a break of this level. If that does happen, you could be looking at new highs, or if not, double tops. So nice move up today. Let's take a look at it on the 10-minute chart. If it loads. All right, it's late at night. I think they're updating the charts or doing something, but for now, daily, nice move up today. Moving on, Monsanto, another great move up. I'm looking for a break of this level, or I mean, the faster it moves up, you could see a pullback here. So watch for this level for resistance. That's it for Monsanto. Moving on, CVS. CVS closed up 1.96%, so about 2% green today. At this point, this one might want to visit this double top at 76.36. So watch that level. I can't pull in the 10-minute chart right now. Something's going on with my. Oh, here we go. So very nice move today, as you can see. Here's today's action. Gapped up, came back down, filled that gap, and went back up. I had this level here as resistance. Closed above it today, so now watch for this level for support tomorrow. If we do get some kind of a dip for some reason, watch for this level tomorrow. That's at 75.18 for now. That's all I've got for CVS. Moving on, COF. Perfect, beautiful move up into that line that we've had here since maybe during the weekend. I'm not sure, I can't remember. Today, COF, Capital One, up 1.92%. Tomorrow would be nice if this breaks this level. This is your next target up here, which is at 77.79. Who knows, tomorrow it might pull back from this level. So I think I had mentioned this would be a nice short position here, a nice spot to buy a few puts. But let's see if it pulls back tomorrow. It's had a nice move up, so I wouldn't rule out some consolidation here, and then so maybe something like this, a move down and then back up. So you never know, tomorrow it might just pop up. As far as support, watch these the red and the blue line, the 20-day and the 50-day moving average for support on this stock here. Moving on, HRL. I talked about this level here. It's had a hard time breaking this level here, but today closed up 1.86%. That's a nice move. So here's your next target here. As I've said over and over and over again, previous resistance becomes support. So tomorrow, watch for that level here, which is at an even 48 number. Watch that level for support on HRL. Next up is Facebook. Facebook, nice sell-off. I actually thought Facebook would come test this 50-day moving average up here, but it didn't. So maybe tomorrow we get a bounce off of this level here. Currently at 54.65, and you have that purple line here, which is your 200 moving average, currently at 53.14. So maybe this slopes up in the coming days, and this would be your level. You've got another level down here just in case. Moving on, Chipotle, CMG. Earlier in the week, I had mentioned the blue line here, the 20-day moving average. That day that day it tagged it perfectly. High of 518.54. Since then, the stocks pulled back. Noticed it closed above that purple line, so they managed to close the stock above the 200 moving average. Look for that for some short-term support, but I still favor the downside on Chipotle long term. First target here, second target gap fill, which is 447.65 is where I've got it at. So that's it for Chipotle. Next up, Bank of America. Bank of America is holding these levels here that I've had for a while now, so I'm looking for a bearish pattern now, and then another move to this level here, which is at 1377. I'd like to see Bank of America pull back into that area here. Next up, or last but not least, LinkedIn. LinkedIn, let me zoom out here. On the daily, there we go. So here's your gap fill, gap window. Today I had a really nice bounce up today. I had no level for this other than this line that I have here, which is at 140.13. Today's low was 136.02. Notice it's close to an even number. Stocks like to make moves at even numbers. Let's switch over to the 10-minute. Just take a look at it real quick. Once again, 3 bars to the downside, and then a nice pop back up. This was my line for resistance. As you can see here, it worked pretty well here. It pulled back, but then shot back up. Once again, I'll say it over and over. Previous resistance becomes support. Resistance here, pulled back, broke resistance, and then it became support. As you can see, it bounced off of that level. Another pattern here that I had mentioned in a video here. This is a bearish inside bar pattern. You'll see these patterns over and over and over again. You could have taken a quick short, quick put from, say, from here, or maybe even this level here, down to here, for some quick in and out. But this was bearish, pulled back, rallied back up, broke that level, so then that level became support. It went a little bit low here, but still bounced off of that level here. And it closed at the highs of the day Sorry, it's a little late. Closing at